Hi everyone. Hi. I can see a lot of people today. Thank you so much for tuning in at the Lifestyle Stores. Hello everyone. Hope you guys are keeping safe. Hi to everyone. Today we are here for a very special session and I'm just waiting for our guest to join in. My name is Ela and I would be the host for today. Hello everyone. I am really glad to see so much of you joining in. So today we would be talking to the founder of House of Beauty. She's a wonderful woman, an entrepreneur, and we would be discussing about face yoga and beauty tools. As we know, face tools are quite enraged these days. So yes, we would be talking to Vibhuti, the founder of House of Beauty. I will just add her. Hello everyone. Thank you so much. Hope you guys are doing great.
Hi,
Hi,
how are you?
I am good. How are you? It's such a pleasure to have you here at Lifestyle Stores. Hope you're doing well.
Absolutely, the pleasure's all mine, Ela. I hope you're doing well as well.
I'm doing great. So first thing first, let me tell the audience a little about you. So Vibhuti is an entrepreneur and the founder of House of Beauty. And today we would be talking about face yoga because she is an expert in it. Trust me, I have been waiting for this masterclass since so long.
Well, me too. I'm equally excited. And face yoga, face tools with lifestyle, and our association with them has been so special. I really cannot wait to explore and tell you all that we have in store today.
Wonderful. So let's just begin the session. First thing first, please tell us a little about House of Beauty.
So House of Beauty is a face yoga and face tools company. We are exclusive partners with lifestyle stores pan India, and with yoga we exercise with our hands with tools. Many times people get lazy, just like fitness. All of us love exercising, all of us love looking thin, but when the time comes that आपको उठे, I'm switching into Hindi because someone wants Hindi, so I'll keep it Hindi English mix. जब आपको उठ के जाना पड़े एक्सरसाइज करने के लिए, दिमाग में सारी एक्सरसाइज होती है, फिजिकली सारा आलस आ जाता है, एंड दैट इज वेयर अ कंपनी लाइक आर्स कम्स इनटू बीइंग. हम आपको उठाते हैं, कहते हैं चलो अगर नहीं भी एक्सरसाइज करना तो एक फेस टूल या जेड रोलर का यूज करो, समथिंग लाइक दिस, और आपकी फेस मसल्स को हम एक्सरसाइज करवाते हैं, एंड दिस इज व्हाट वी डू एंड व्हाट वी स्टैंड फॉर.
That's amazing. Honestly, I think शायद सबके साथ ही होता है. हम बहुत सारे videos देख लेते हैं, but we just don't want to get up and do it. So I guess this is definitely a solution for all the lazy bums out here.
And imagine
Okay.
वो करते करते you get flawless skin, lines, dark circle relief.
Doesn't want that.
Who doesn't want that, right?
Honestly, I've been dying to get that because I don't want to use filters in my pictures. I just want a flawless skin. So yes, moving ahead, I got to know that you guys are hosting an event in Hyderabad. Tell me all about it. What is it?
So I am so excited. We're launching our budget tools, more affordable option. I'm flying down to Hyderabad this Friday at 3 p.m. hosting a free face yoga session. So everybody who's looking at this, who stays in Hyderabad, please do come in. I'll be teaching हाथों से exercises, dark circle relief की exercises, face toning की exercises, और आपके टूल्स, प्रोडक्ट्स, हमारे जो स्किन केयर क्रीम सीरम्स है उनको कैसे यूज करना है करेक्टली ऑन टू द फेस. वी ओनली हैव 25 सीट्स, एंड आज के लाइव के बाद हमारा वो स्वाइप अप लिंक बोथ ऑन लाइफस्टाइल स्टोरी एंड आवर स्टोरी will go in. So, the lucky 25 will attend this end-to-end free face yoga session with me.
What about the rest of us? If we won't be able to make it to Hyderabad, what's in store for us today?
आप पूछो मुझसे कुछ, मैं बता देती हूँ. एक्सरसाइजेस अब हमारे व्यूअर्स
जानना चाहती हूँ कि what all tools are available and आपने जैसे कहा कि budget friendly options हैं, especially for I believe college going girls and teenagers, they do not have access to a lot of money. Pocket money होता है जो parents देते हैं, तो उनके लिए क्या options है face tools में?
तो basically, Ila, you know, हमारे tools भी specialize in kits, जहाँ आपको tool मिलता है, oil मिलता है, and cleaning spray मिलता है. Now on Friday we are launching our budget option, which is just the tool. So अगर आपको वो oil और वो cleaning spray नहीं चाहिए, and you want to wash your tool with soap and water, which we always educate and which is very doable, do that. आपके घर में कोई भी तेल है, कोई भी cream है, you can use the tool with it. It's the same gua sha, it's the same jade roller. I will show you a few. It's the same House of Beauty original tool, but for 30 to 40% lesser the price. So it's very pocket friendly. Our gua sha is going to start at about 1200 rupees. अब इससे better हम नहीं सोच सकते अपने clients के लिए, and
certainly. Another thing, while I was just browsing through House of Beauty, I saw something about free face yoga. What is free face yoga exactly?
Free face yoga is a session with me where I will analyze your face personally, so you don't have to pay for my consultation fee. And आपके face के हिसाब से जो आपके questions हो, whether आपकी lymphatic drainage exercise है, whether आपकी nose shaping exercise है, face lifting exercise है, I will have a structured session जहाँ मैं आपको सब कुछ सिखाऊंगी. And मेरी जो signature 1 minute विभूति मसाज है, जहाँ मैं सिखाती हूँ रोज 1 minute करना, super easy, आपको access मिलेगा वो भी मेरे साथ सीखने के लिए.
I see that like a lot of information just running around the internet about face yoga. Would you actually guide us what is it right and is it helpful? Especially people talk about smile lines. How should we actually overcome all these issues?
You know, Ela, you know me for years.
I
Principle,
do.
never say this is right or this is wrong. जो आपको ठीक लगे आप करो. You know, I will always say I will never call someone's technique wrong. But I would say आप certified instructor के पास जाओ, because कभी कभी हम देख के
Correct.
सीखते हैं, खुद YouTube पे भी आप देख के सीख सकते हो, पर आपको रिजल्ट नहीं आता. So आप जरूर ट्राई कीजिए. Education, you know, we can.
मैंने भी शायद for years chewing gum किया होगा, just thinking that I'll get a chiseled jawline, but that did not happen.
But you know, don't get dissuaded with it, because many a times you see things and then you feel कि अच्छा ये तो मैंने देखा YouTube पे या मैंने Instagram पे देखा, it didn't work for me. Does not mean that a technique was, does not mean that the exercise of face yoga did not work for you. It means that the technique was not correct, and वहाँ पे अगर आप certified instructor से सीखेंगे तो better होगा. In fact, Hyderabad is such a special city all over India, but Hyderabad more so, because I have 3 certified face yoga teachers who've trained under me and are taking their practice. I've already got their messages. They're going to be at the event. So there's access to learn, not just directly from me, but through my teachers as well.
So I know, I'll just go ahead with the session. Before saying this, people who've just joined in, we're talking to Vibhuti from House of Beauty, and today's session is about face yoga and beauty tools. I will be taking up all your questions in some time. Let's just talk a little more about House of Beauty and the way these tools work.
Thank you.
The most common problem that we have is dark circles. Can you please put some light on it?
Absolutely. You know, dark circles, and especially during this pandemic, the screen time has increased, whether it's a 3-year-old child,
What?
year-old working man or woman, or even a 60-year-old, because we're constantly on our phones, on the computers, on Netflix, doing everything. So जो थोड़े बहुत dark circles हैं वो और deep हो गए हैं, and comes to the rescue. As I would say, whether it is through jade rollers for first level lymphatic drainage massage, or through your fingers, I'll do a quick, under eye dark circle demonstration. Use House of Beauty
Awesome.
or any face like, of course. You can also see our page for that ghee cream recipe. I have this signature ghee souffle. So if you feel that मुझे नहीं करना है oil के साथ, you could still just use ghee. Just wash it after the massage. Take some oil into your hand for dark circle relief. सबसे पहले तो we will support one side of our skin like this. Take two fingers, it could be your index finger or your middle finger, place it, or it could be these two, whatever pressure you are comfortable. Swipe, lifting the muscle, and then this hand will go upwards without the muscle drooping as clockwards. So you do this about 20 times every day and you see what a drastic change comes in your dark circles. If with your hands or with your oil is too much, get your jade rollers, get your ice rollers, get your face cups, get any tool that you have. Watch your Netflix. While you are, at least do this. Just start rolling so that there is something happening. There's that yoga mein hota hai forward bending, backward bending for counter pose. So this becomes your counter pose.
Oh, that's amazing. I mean, honestly, what better way to binge watch and work on your dark circles? I guess I'm going to try this for sure. Okay, so should we start taking a few questions? Because I could see people asking about, I guess they were asking about dark circles. That's what I noticed first.
Yes.
Another thing that I would like to ask is because I also have this problem. I sometimes feel that my nose is slightly disproportionate for my face. Is there a fix for it? Is there an exercise or maybe a tool that can enhance my nose?
Absolutely. So, you can be right, and I'll tell you how, and you can be wrong. So as we grow older, Ela, we feel that when we were younger, our nose was perfectly in shape. But जैसे जैसे हम we age, हमारा nose मोटा होता जाता है, हमारा shape droopy हो जाता है. So nose aging happens at two levels. First level is जहां आपकी जो ये side की nasalis muscle है, ये एक्सपैंड करने लग जाती है. सेकेंड लेवल इज जहां पे आपका जो ये हुक है ना, ये जो टिप है, ये हुक की तरह ड्रूपी हो जाता है. सो इन दो को ठीक करने के लिए ऑफ कोर्स आप गुआशा का यूज कीजिए, वेदर यू यूज और यू कैन यूज अ 3D मसाजर लाइक दिस. ये बैटरी पे चलता है. आपने इसको अपने नेजालिस मसल पे ऐसे टाइट करना है, प्रेस करना है आपके एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट पे, एंड इसको लिफ्ट करना है. आप ये रोज कर सकते हैं 10 से 12 बारी. अगर आपके पास अभी टूल नहीं है और आप हाथों से करना चाहते हैं, मेरे हाथों पे तो ऑलरेडी ऑयल लग गया है. विद ऑयल, टेक एन ए ऑफ योर इंडेक्स फिंगर एंड योर थंब, you place it on the sides of your nose muscles. You lift this because we're training the muscles, right? Sometimes you do Kegels and you do butt tightening exercises where you tighten the muscle and you release, tighten the muscle and you release, right? You pulse. The same way we lift this, tackling the aging of our nasalis, and then we take our index finger, lifting it from the hook. ये जो line हमारी आ जाती है, इसको iron करते हैं. अपनी जो थर्ड आई एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट है, वहां प्रेस करते हैं टू बिल्ड मसल मेमोरी. टेक इट ऑल द वे अप इनटू योर हेयर लाइन, जैसे कोई धागा हमें यहाँ पे ऊपर से खींच रहा. सो बेसिकली क्लॉक वर्क मोशन हो जाता है. आप 20 सेकंड के रोज रात को करें. एंड आई लाइक टू कॉल दिस माई 21 day challenge. Take a picture of your face today. Do this. Work on this part of your face for 21 days. Take another photograph and you see what a brilliant result it gives you. And then of course, this is always there. This is an easy peasy because now this you can do anywhere, anytime, even in your car.
One more thing that I would like to ask is, what is the ideal time to do all these massages? Should we do all of it together on our entire face, or some things have to be done in the morning and in the evening? Is there a specific time for it?
So that signature 1 minute massage that Hyderabad's going to witness, that I'm going to teach, can be done every day. It's a 1 minute everyday routine, morning and evening. And I feel that the morning time is the best time because all of us wake up with puffiness. All of us wake up with lymphatic fluid. Subah, if you drain your face and your skin starts to radiate or glow, आपका मूड अच्छा रहता है. You feel confident about yourself, and even if you do a little bit of makeup, if you've started going to work or you're working from home and you have Zoom calls, your mood is boosted for the day. Your makeup looks better, right? Now, when we come to tools, if it's a tool like this or it's a tool like this, which is an ice roller, these can be used every day. But if it's a tool like a gua sha or it's a stronger scraping tool, then you use it 3 times a week and that's it. No more needed.
Okay, and as far as gua sha is concerned, I have seen a lot of people applying a lot of pressure. What is the ideal amount of pressure that needs to be applied while using a gua sha?
When you're using a gua sha, ideally you should have light to medium pressure because the stone typically does everything. You know, it looks, if I compare this to this you apply firm pressure because you are, can you see how I'm pushing my muscles away? And on Instagram you just see people do this. इससे आपके muscles lift नहीं होने वाले, इससे आपका face lift नहीं होने वाला. Push firm pressure, really denode your face and tighten everything. But जब gua sha की बारी आती है, don't scrape too much because then you'll get underskin redness, underskin bruising. To do that, always use a face oil with your gua sha. Never use it on bare skin. And use medium to light pressure because that's the beauty of the tools. आपको ऊपर से pressure लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. The tool will do what it's supposed to do without, you know, so much.
I have also seen a lot of faces turning red. I was like, is it okay that people are doing it? The faces turn completely red. That's what something I really wanted to know.
So
Another important
answer to your previous question about certified instructors say certified techniques. फायदा होगा.
Definitely. That's why I'm eagerly looking forward to the master class that is going to take place in Hyderabad. So people, there are limited seats. Swipe up link would soon be available on Lifestyle Stores and House of Beauty Instagram page. Do make sure that you attend that masterclass. Trust me, it's going to do wonders. Just look at her chiseled jawline and her flawless skin. Who doesn't want that? I guess I'm going to start doing it from now. I have been a lazy bum that way that I would do some exercise and then I would stop doing it. But yes, you need to take care of your face.
So, you know,
makeup cannot fix everything.
Absolutely. Consistency is key. Makeup looks better when your skin is healthier, your skin is breathing. And I feel that, you know, during this whole time of the pandemic that we're going through, everybody has started looking at holistic beauty. सब लोग अपनी health, अपने skin के बारे में है, because I can see so many of these questions come in on how to reduce double chin. I'll tell you an exercise soon. But that is what is important. You know, beauty is not just about using tools, using face oils. It's holistic. It's about eating the right thing. It's about the right technique, the implementation. हम House of Beauty पे इतनी सारी चीजें, you know, even with lifestyle हमारे सारे, we have like Headies oils, mind relaxing kits. हम बोलते हैं कि आप अपने work desk पे, अपने work area पे इन सब essential oils को एक अपने लिए holistic environment create कीजिए. Because automatically आपके dark circles, आपकी fine lines, आपका face well rested रहेगा. When you're breathing healthy, you're eating healthy, you're applying healthy, and you're exercising, because everything starts and ends at consistency. जितना आप consistent रहेंगे, उतना आपके लिए बेहतर है.
And of course, for good makeup also, you need flawless skin. So let's follow House of Beauty to get awesome tips, because honestly, I was also browsing through the page and I realized, oh my god, there's so many tutorials and I haven't seen all of them. Awesome job. Honestly, Vibhuti, you're doing such wonderful job.
Thank you.
So I think we should take a few questions now. First thing first, I guess a lot of people have already asked about the jawline. How to get a chiseled jawline. How to get rid of double chin, because we keep browsing through our phone and everyone's just looking down. So even if people used to have a jawline, I think it has vanished now.
So the two tools that you can use for double chin correction are the gua sha and the 3D massager. Again, both available on Lifestyle online and their stores. We're already in their Pacific, Gurgaon, Hyderabad stores, also online on their website. We also have all our oils, our entire range. In fact, I forgot to mention, with the budget tools, we have our skincare line, which is going to be previewed and seen at Lifestyle Hyderabad. So we're coming with a full-blown skincare line, from face wash to vitamin C to your day cream, your night cream, your under eye serum, your brown spot serum corrector, all of it. So previews and dibs for everyone in Hyderabad. That being said, for everybody who cannot make it to Hyderabad, here is your double chin correction exercise. Please take some face oil. always support your skin first. I will transfer the oil onto one side of my face like this, because I always feel, we do a transfer like this, which is wrong. क्योंकि आप ऐसे, you're creating a line here, you're creating a line here, you're creating here. So instead of a wrong transfer, always do an upward lifting transfer and support any loose skin like this. Once you've done that, make a hook of your index finger. Take your thumb, let your thumb support your chin like this, नीचे से. So आपकी कोई loose skin, illusion of a double chin या double chin है, आप उसको push करो. ये जो आपका thumb है, ये जो आपकी index finger है, इससे आपने firm circles करने हैं all the way. When you reach this point, some of us may feel pain mid jaw, some of us may not. If you do feel pain, because ये हमारी chewing muscle है, इस muscle का नाम है massive. यहाँ पे बहुत मसल टेंशन, बहुत स्ट्रेस स्टोर होता है. आप इसको डीनोट करो, ऑल द वे अपने ईयरलोब तक लेके जाओ, एंड इस रेजीम को 3 to 6 टाइम्स करो. अगर यहाँ पे ज्यादा पेन है तो यहाँ पे रुक के 3 सर्कल्स करके उस पेन को अपने कानों के ऊपर से पीछे ले जाते हुए डाउन योर कॉलर बोन रिगल करो लाइक दिस, बिकॉज आपने अपनी सारी पेन को अपनी बॉडी से निकालना है. यहाँ पे हमारा लिम्फ नोड्स का मैक्सिमम जो डेंस नेटवर्क है, लिम्फ नोड्स तो ऑल ओवर प्रेजेंट है, बट यहाँ पे हमारा मैक्सिमम डेंस नेटवर्क प्रेजेंट है, जो अब आपके टॉक्सिन्स, आपकी लिम्फेटिक फ्लूइड, आपकी जो जॉ लाइन की चिजल आप क्रिएट करना चाहते हो, उसकी मसल टेंशन को रिलीज करेगा. एंड आप देखिए आपकी जॉ लाइन कितनी अच्छी और शेप में हो जाती है.
अच्छा, ऑनेस्टली ये मुझे कितना टाइम करना होगा टू गेट इट टू द जॉ लाइन?
एटलीस्ट तो 3 बार करिए ये. अगर रोज कर रहे हैं तो 10 टाइम्स. अगर आप 3 बार हफ्ते में कर रहे हैं, पहला हफ्ता 20 टाइम्स, दूसरा हफ्ता 40 टाइम्स, तीसरा हफ्ता 60 टाइम्स. मेहनत लगेगी, और मेहनत नहीं करनी है तो टूल के साथ बैठे बैठे रोज करो.
आई थिंक मेरे लिए कल ऑप्शन थोड़ा बेहतर मुझे लग रहा है.
But yes, that is what the 21-day challenge is. Do this 60 times and you see how nicely and drastically your jawline starts to sculpt. Another exercise, in fact, I talk about this on social media so much. Let's do this one together, because I want you to feel it and tell everyone viewing how you feel about it. It's a very nice.
Certainly.
I want you to take your tongue, invert it into the roof of your mouth. Okay, so we will roll it. इसको roll करेंगे और अपने ऊपर के palate पे.
Okay.
Okay. Support your hands like this if you want to support your neck. If you feel there's no need, so it's okay. You can keep them नीचे भी. And look up. अब जो आपकी rolled tongue है, उसको आप अपने mouth के roof पे बारी बारी ऊपर push करते जाए with a lot of effort. Okay. And hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. अब हीला यहीं से pouch to the ceiling up and start kissing the ceiling 20 times like this.
Okay.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Don't forget to breathe and relax. When you are ready, तब अपनी आंखें खोलना and stabilize. Now tell me, how did you feel? Tell our audience, what was it?
Definitely feels better. There's like an instant stretch. You would understand. ऐसा feel भी नहीं होता ना when you're talking normally that yes, you do have muscles out here unless you work on them. So I guess I can feel something certainly out here. There was a stretch for sure.
Correct. And with, because abhi to we're in conversation. So pata nahi chalta, you actually did 40 counts with me. The first go. You didn't even have to wait for 1 week. You did it. So that is proving to yourself कि आप कर सकते हो. Don't be lazy. Just get into the routine of it.
I really feel the first one was pretty effective. I could actually feel the tension out here and the muscles would stretch.
Yeah, yeah.
Stretching for your face is also important. I think a lot of people will be working out. They do understand the importance of stretching. Face के लिए भी जरूरी है.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल.
And at times I see a lot of people who work out intensively, but their face still looks puffy and slightly swollen. So what is the reason behind it?
You know, because if you even look at bodybuilders, because वो अपनी बॉडी को इतना मेंटेन करते हैं, एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, तो उनकी मसल्स जो बॉडी की है वो प्लम्प है, वो चिजल है, ऊपर की स्किन यंग लगती है, बट दे डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ देयर फेस. एंड बिकॉज दे नॉट टेकन केयर ऑफ देयर फेस, उनका फेस पफी रहता है, वाटर रिटेंशन रहती है, अप डाउन उनके सारे इश्यूज दिखते हैं. बिकॉज नेक डाउन तो सब ठीक है, देव बीन एक्सरसाइजिंग. एंड फेस योगा इज द सेम थिंग. अब हम आपको बोलते हैं कि with your body please exercise your face is the most important. and ऐसे लोग जो exercise करते हैं, अगर you know, if you can do a jade roller massage, brilliant. if you can't do a jade roller massage, आप support कीजिए अपने face, अपनी workout routine में 2 उंगलियां लीजिए and just start doing cheek whips, which is lifting your muscle. So see, I am lifting my droopy muscle with speed. Support in, yeah, support your firmly. करो, let's do it together. परफेक्ट. अब देखना, ये जोन एंड ये जोन पे आप मसल को लिफ्ट कर रहे हो. We'll do this to the count of 20. The technique here is speed. So I'll count and then we'll increase the speed automatically. And I request all of the viewers viewing, आप भी हमारे साथ कीजिए. Take a picture of your face, tag lifestyle, tag House of Beauty, tell us how you feel. I know ये exercise आप सबके लिए काम आएगी. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Let's show our faces and see how you feel. Hot?
I think I can see the difference in my face. This side looks much better than the other one.
In one go. Face yoga is so magical that in one go you can see the change.
I think the difference is visible. This side is slightly smoothened.
Should we balance
So
the
all
other quickly before one side is plumped and lifted in the other side?
if I lifted, the other one is still sulking down.
Perfect. Let's do this. So
So
now
I think I need to do it on the other side too.
let's do a count of 10 to balance. So anybody who's joining in now or missed the technique can learn. But in this, I would like to tell everybody, if you're right-handed, and now I'm exercising my right side. So in that case, I will not do this. I will take my left hand, support my skin because I want the pressure to be uniform. And these are small things that people don't tell you. Because अगर आपने pressure change कर दिया और same technique नहीं की तो आपका face asymmetrical हो सकता है, which is something we don't want, right? तो symmetry maintain करने के लिए आप ऐसे hold करेंगे and then you will start to lift.
Okay.
Like this.
So make sure that everyone keep this in mind. If you're left-handed, please do it this way. If you're right-handed, please do it the other way around.
Correct.
So this exercise for your chisel face
For lift.
and lifted
Correct. For lifting,
your
cheek plumping, for collagen boosting, for anti-aging. ये एक ऐसी exercise है इला जो सबके लिए काम करती है. You can start at 16, you can go up to 80. आप पे फिर भी ये exercise काम करेगी.
Okay, I guess somebody just asked the question about that they have an asymmetrical face, any solution? I think if you have been doing some exercises, probably you're not doing it right. So do tune into House of Beauty. And in case if you're looking for these products, all the tools that we were talking about, you can check them out in lifestyle stores as well as House of Beauty. So let's go ahead and do the second side because I don't want my face to look asymmetrical.
Absolutely. So, you know, for that question that someone answered on asymmetrical face, we have a lot of exercises and tools that actually balance the symmetry of the face. So you must do those techniques which will now work on only one side and not both sides. For example, if you're doing this exercise, in that case, do 20 sets on one side and 40 sets on the other side, which is not symmetrical, ताकि उस तरफ की lifting अच्छी तरह से हो. And we'll do 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Also, अगर आपकी asymmetry भी depend करता है, whether cheeks की है, balance हो गया.
I was actually concerned that एक side काफी lifted दिख रही है, दूसरी sulking थी. So हाँ, now it's balanced. My face looks normal now.
Also, अगर आपकी depends आपकी asymmetry किस type की है. अगर आपके eyebrows की asymmetry है, where one side is droopy than the other, lips की one side is droopy than the other, one lip is thinner, the other lip is thicker. So asymmetry can be of so many forms. One eye is smaller than the other. Then we go on to more specific correction, whether with tools. Tools will only enhance it, or without tools if you just want to start with hands. Trust in face yoga and then build on it. We are very open to sharing, educating, teaching, and then letting the user decide what he or she wants.
Oh, that's amazing. Somebody just asked a question and he thought I am doing it wrong. It's because I am a lefty, so I would have actually applied pressure on the other side that way. But that was the first time I was learning this exercise. So no, it is not wrong. If you are a lefty, please apply pressure this way on the left. And if you work with your right hand, do it the other way around, applying pressure from this side. I hope that
nice of you.
Yeah.
I am so lucky that I have this is the first time that somebody who's left-handed, is doing this. So we can show both ways of the right technique. Lovely.
That's amazing. Thank you so much. Another thing that I would like to ask, is there actually a way to correct your lips also? Because I also happen to have a very thin upper lip.
Absolutely. So, whether it's through face yoga exercises or through tools like your face cups are brilliant. Even gua sha, when you're looking at gua sha stimulation, if you look at this type of a gua sha and you do a zigzag lip, in your case, I can see the upper lip is thinner than the lower lip. If you want to do it with your fingers, you take your index finger on top of your middle finger, stretch this,
Okay.
your hands on the table, and then do a firm circular massage like this. But cupping is the best. Face cups are brilliant for this. And just do this on the entire upper lip line, Ela, with firm pressure, huh?
Okay. I got it.
Yeah, this exercise you do 6 times.
Because I seldom use lip plumpers and they sting a lot. I am really not sometimes I have to use it.
No, so face cups don't tingle, they don't pain, they're absolutely pain-free. Also, we have these instant filler patches. So these patches, if you place here on your nasolabial, your dark circle area, again, it will boost in the collagen. Use a collagen serum or a plumpening serum in your daily routine. Of course, we do it ourselves, so you can get it from Lifestyle House of Beauty counter, and it will plumpen your entire line. So these are temporary options. This ये आपको 3 दिन तक last करेगा, but face cups and these exercises, the more you do long term, the better it is, because you'll see that the balance has started to come.
Yeah, I think I would definitely give it a shot. Those cups, I saw them on House of Beauty website too, and I am certainly ordering them because I had no idea they can do wonders on my lips too.
And Lifestyle Store's website as well.
I could see one more question, and that was, I want fluffier cheeks.
Plump cheeks?
मुझसे ले लो. Even if I reduce a lot, even when I was size 0, they just never went away. They have always been there with me.
So Ela, for you need a gua sha for sculpting, and for this person who has chubby cheeks, brilliant, nice cheeks, you should use like a V-chin mask, which is who wants to plump in cheeks, or you use face cups. Now I'm holding a body cup in my hand. Face cups are thinner. It's not like this. but you use face cups for overall lifting. You have to apply a thick layer of oil. This is vacuum that gets created from all your superstars, Jacqueline Fernandez to Jennifer Anderson. Everyone's using face cups today. So for those who want to plump in your face, face cupping and this cheek lifting exercise is your answer.
Because my cheeks has always been like that. So yeah, definitely. I will try gua sha now religiously to get honestly rid of them.
But you know, plump cheeks are a blessing because you have God-given collagen. Aging late hogi, fine lines delay ho jayenge. You wouldn't, your cheeks will not sag so early in life. So us hisab se socho to there's always something positive.
In a lot of my pictures, it looks as if I have two laddus in my mouth. So yes, I want to reduce this for sure.
Then gua sha is the answer.
Yeah, I think I am definitely using gua sha from today itself. So ladies, everyone out there, make sure you check out all these tools. They're available at lifestyle stores as well as House of Beauty. Before we move further, I would also like to know about the serums and oils that you people have.
So currently we do, we do hyaluronic serum, collagen serum, toners for all skin types and oils. We have 3 varieties of oils: tea tree, and avocado, peach, and jojoba. This is the toner and this is the serum. And depending whether your skin type is combination, dry or acne prone, it's a myth कि पिंपल वाले स्किन टाइप में ऑयल नहीं यूज करना. हमारा जो टी ट्री एवोकाडो ऑयल एक्चुअली अ बेस्ट सेलर बिकॉज ये आपके पिंपल्स को ड्राई करता है. You use an ice roller on top of it and yeah, this will dry the pimples faster. Now, that being said, this is our existing range which is already available on Lifestyle and Lifestyle stores. And on Friday, we are launching our vitamin C and Juvenile, which is a very special ingredient for under eye dark circles. We're launching our brown spot corrector and pimple reducer, which goes with our tea tree oil for brown spots or pimples. I had this pimple, I don't think it's very visible, since 2 times.
I have one here.
I've been using that and that is a super product. But the reason I'm not even showing it here today is because Friday is a grand preview with Lifestyle, and that's where all of you will get an insight of it. And we're also going to be the only and first company as of now who's going to do face wash with hyaluronic serum. So you asked me about serum. Now I'm giving you hyaluronic as a serum and in your face wash to create the moisture sandwich. If you see on the internet, आजकल moisture sandwich की बहुत चर्चा है. तो हमने आपको यूज करेंगे to seal in the serum while washing and stripping the excess oils, dirt and grime off your face.
Okay, I guess we've had a lot of questions right now. एकदम बहुत सारा inflow आ रहा है questions का. Okay, so I will ask in Hindi. काफी लोगों ने फिर पूछा है कि पफी आइज कैसे रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं एंड आपकी आइज के नीचे जो हॉलो है उसके लिए कोई एक्सरसाइज. पहले मैं बता दूं, जो हाउस ऑफ ब्यूटी के न्यू प्रोडक्ट्स लॉन्च हो रहे हैं उसमें आपके लिए डेफिनेटली सोल्यूशन है. सो यू रियली नीड टू ट्यून इन ऑन फ्राइडे एंड सी देयर प्रीव्यू कलेक्शन.
Absolutely. So I will एक तीर दो निशाने. After your question, someone also asked us benefit of Ice Globe. So मैं दोनों का क्वेश्चन दे देती हूँ. पफीनेस रिड्यूस करने के लिए आप आइस ग्लोब्स यूज कर सकते हैं. एवरी डे यू कैन चिल इट इन अ बोल ऑफ आइस या 15 मिनट फ्रीजर में रखिए. उसके बाद अपनी अंडर आई पे लिफ्ट करने के बाद ऐसे जो आपकी पफीनेस उसको ड्रेन कीजिए. मेनी टाइम्स हम गलती करते हैं, हम लिफ्ट करते हैं और फिर वापस ले आते हैं. अगर आप लिफ्ट करके आओगे तो आपने वो पफीनेस ली, पानी लिया, लिम्फेटिक फ्लूइड और वापस ले आए. हमने उसको लेके नीचे ड्रेन करना है एंड दैट इज व्हाट दीज ग्लोब्स डू. दे विल ऑल्सो सील इन. सो अगर आप मेरा कोलेजन सीरम या कोई भी ऑयल यूज कर रहे हैं, आई क्रीम यूज कर रहे हैं, दिस विल पुश इनटू द डीपर लेयर्स ऑफ योर स्किन. तो आपकी स्किन को नरिश करेगा एंड आपकी जो डार्कनेस है, बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स हमारी डार्कनेस ऑफ कोर्स हेरिडिटरी भी होते हैं डार्क सर्कल्स, पर बहुत बार जो हम स्क्रीन टाइम आजकल देख रहे हैं या हमारी बॉडी में आयरन की डेफिशिएंसी है, ईट अ बीटरूट, पालक खाइए एंड उसके बाद मसाज कीजिए विद द राइट स्किन केयर टूल्स एंड प्रोडक्ट्स. आपकी जो डिहाइड्रेटेड स्किन है, डार्कनेस है, वो बैलेंस हो जाएगी.
Amazing. There's one more question. I think we can take a few more. If sure, are you comfortable? Okay. The next one that we have is I have seen this question multiple times. Open pores के लिए क्या solution है?
So open pores, unfortunately, सिर्फ face yoga की hand exercises से correct नहीं हो सकता. You must definitely use a toner every time you wash your face. Every time, I mean it, because that is now going to balance your skin's pH levels. Open pores are when they can't breathe, when there is a lot of dirt, grime, the pores are blocked. उसकी वजह से they open in size to breathe, take in oxygen. हमारी skin भी पूरा time सांस ले रही है, right? उसका करेक्शन है 0.25 या 0.5 डर्मा रोलर यूसेज. आप डर्मा रोलर को वर्टिकल, हॉरिजॉन्टल एंड डायगनली अपने ओपन पोर एरिया में हफ्ते में 2 बार कीजिए. उसको आइस रोलर से सूद कीजिए, कोल्ड कंप्रेशन. आइस रोलर इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड फॉर ओपन पोर्स. एंड देन टोनर के साथ क्लोज कीजिए. Do this regime for a month and a half. ये वाली regime 21 days में सिर्फ आपको रिजल्ट नहीं देगी. So आपको थोड़ा पेशेंट रहना पड़ेगा. 1.5 महीना मिनिमम कीजिए और देखिए आपके ओपन पोर्स कैसे रिड्यूस हो जाते हैं.
Another point that I would like to add is because I have also seen this quite often. Toner is not a makeup remover. Please do not.
Oh my God, no!
I have seen this so often. Whenever I'm sitting in any live session, people get confused that toner is a makeup remover. No, it is not. It helps in balancing the pH level of your skin. So while you have washed your face, cleansed it properly, after that is the time when you apply a toner. You don't need cotton pads for it too.
Yes.
आपको कॉटन से टोनर लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just put it in your palm. Okay, we have a demonstration now. Or in case if you have a spray, spritz it on your face.
You put a spray, just spritz it all over your face and your face is toned. अगर आपको क्लेंजर यूज करना है या टोनर मत यूज कीजिए, क्लेंजिंग ऑयल. हम कुमकुमादी ऑयल को क्लेंजिंग ऑयल की तरह, मेकअप रिमूवर ऑयल की तरह यूज उसको यूज कीजिए.
This is one common myth that I have seen so often. People get confused कि टोनर का यूज क्या है.
Yes, and
so that is why I
feel still now people are trying to understand के right product layering क्या है. So step 1 is face wash, step 2 is toner, step 3 is serum, step 4 is is your oil or your moisturizer depending on what you use. Now in this, so there is a little bit of a twitch or a trick, huh? Oil या oil पहले या moisturizer पहले? This is that question. Chicken first or egg first? Who came first? The answer to that is, if you are using a tea tree avocado oil, which is a light textured oil, then the oil first and the moisturizer after, and then your sunscreen. But if you're using a fish oil or you're using a peach oil, which is a thicker oil on oily skin, combination skin, your peach oil will go first, your moisturizer after. But on oily skin, then you will apply the oil last and moisturizer first. So उधर आपकी thickness from thinner ingredients to thicker ingredients हम जाते हैं. And there you have to see आपकी क्या consistency है.
It's a very important thing that you've just addressed, क्योंकि ये लोगों को step समझ में नहीं आता. Even if we tell them CPM follow करना है, तो oil कहाँ पे गया? Yes, that is very important, and I think आपने बहुत सारे लोगों का ये common query address किया है अभी. Another question that I had, okay, there is one more question about brow lifting.
So brow lifting can be done again with jade rollers. I have this lovely technique. You take the jade roller, take your index finger, and ये ना roller है तो slip होता है. Of course, it's supposed to roll. But जब आप brow को lift कर रहे हैं, अपनी index finger को लीजिए, grip the roller so that it doesn't glide. Now lift, take your elbow in the air, lift your eyebrow, hold for a couple of minutes, and then release. And do this about 5 to 6 times every day. Alternatively, you could use something like this, which is an electric massager. As you can hear it vibrate, switch it on like this, and then hold, let the micro vibrations stimulate your brow muscle. It's called the corrugator, and then release. And again, do this every day, whether it's asymmetrical eyebrows, droopy eyebrows, or generic lifting of both eyebrows. Both of these techniques work.
Okay, awesome. Because I think I would be using this too. I guess I have learned a lot today and I am going to implement it. And I actually urge all the viewers who are watching this, please try applying these techniques in your daily routine, as well as check out House's Beauty, their Instagram page, their YouTube. It's awesome. मैंने भी आज बहुत कुछ सीख लिया है, and I guess I will be a student forever now, Vibhuti.
Thank you, Ela.
Because
It's an honor, and I would, on an ending note, I would like to say, Hyderabad, I am so excited to see you in person this Friday at 3 p.m. Our entire range is available on Lifestyle Stores. For anyone who is not, in Hyderabad or cannot make it to the event, please check out our collection on Lifestyle Online. And the others, I'll see you in person, and we will do a lot of face yoga, my face yogis.
oh, that's amazing. I am definitely going to miss this one, but I hope you organize another one in Gurgaon and Delhi soon because I would personally love to attend one of these sessions. Another thing, I can see still a lot of questions. In case you have any queries, you can DM on Lifestyle Stores and all your queries would be addressed. You can DM on any of the social media handles of Lifestyle Stores. Thank you so much, Vibhuti, for your time. It has been an amazing session. Honestly, I have learned a lot, and I guess all our viewers have also learned a lot from this session.
Thank you. Thank you so much. And yes, I can see Bhopal, I can see Abu Dhabi, Ludhiana.
Yes, I could see a lot of cities people really want.
So
Yes.
equally excited. Cannot wait. Thank you, Ela. Thank you, Lifestyle. Until next time. Bye. See you.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much, all the viewers who have joined in today. It was a wonderful session. This video would also be there on IGTV of Lifestyle Stores. You can access it later, practice all the exercises that we did today. Make sure that you do them. Only then you will get good results. And all the best, Vibhuti, for your session in Hyderabad. I am looking forward to the new collection.
Thank you. Look forward. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.